keep the report wagon moving along here to the state of Ohio now. Take a quick look at the vaccination numbers for the state of Ohio. Okay. So what you can see, the state of Ohio has administered 30.1 million doses. And so far, of those doses, 69, 6.9 million have received a single shot, and 5.9 million have received the full treatment. Percentage-wise, it looks like Ohio has a percentage of 5.87% single vaccination rate, no, 58.7% single vaccination rate. Okay. Now let's take a look at the state of Ohio's daily COVID-19 numbers. Of course, as always, we need to remind ourselves that in February this year, the governor's office came out and said, oops, we undercounted our deaths by close to 4,000 in the fourth quarter of 2020. And of course, rather than going back and doing the right thing and fixing the 2020 numbers, he simply took the missing number, the missing deaths, okay, deaths, and added them on to February 11th, 12th, and 13th, which of course, as you'll see here, completely is out of proportion to everything before and after it. So what I do is I replace those 3 days with the average number of COVID-19 deaths for those 3 days. And you can see this is a much better fit. It brings all the rest of these numbers back into play. So what you can see here is this. So you can see here, I forgot to mention that somewhere back in the spring, the governor's office also went to a 5-day reporting week instead of for deaths and deaths only. They're still counting cases 7 days a week. So they're going to a 5-day reporting week. If that's not enough, it doesn't appear to always be the same 5 days. Okay, which I don't really know what their justification for that is. Okay. Anyway, the trend is still our friend, and the trend for all the way down into July, the high was the declining COVID-19 deaths. Now you may notice these really small labels here. I don't know why it's doing that for, to be perfectly honest. Okay, I don't know why it's doing that for. Okay, because it doesn't. Okay, but nonetheless, you can see in July a big increase in COVID-19 cases and COVID-19 COVID-19 deaths in Ohio. Then it dipped down a couple of weeks and it appears to be trending back up now. What about COVID-19 cases now? Well, again, the long declining pattern down in July, then a big increase back over here, followed by a declining pattern again. Okay, so that concludes the report for the state of Ohio for today.